Hi, it's Darnell with Way Over Recipes, and today I'm going to air fry chicken wings in the Breville Smart Air Fryer Oven Pro. And let's get cooking right now. Alright, so what I've got here are 4 thawed out chicken wings from a local farmer, and I've got some Old Bay seasoning here, and that's all I'm going to be using for this cook. You can use the seasonings of your choice. I'm not going to be using any oil or anything like that. I do have the pan here with the grow rack in it. I will point out, as I have in the initial review that you should see for the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, when you're air frying things that drip, they say that you should use the pan and put the grow rack in it to air fry that way. If you want to see air frying with some other air fryers where I have an air fry rack higher up and a big pan on a rack underneath, there are well over 1,000 videos here on the channel covering well over 100 different types of air fryers, and in many of those, that's how I do it. But here in this one, Breville recommends this way, and will that impede airflow or something? We'll see. But we're going to go ahead with this. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the chicken seasoned up really quick. I mean, this is a pretty quick prep. So it's just a matter of getting the seasoning on, maybe over seasoning a little bit, and then turning things over on the other side, which I'll just do here in the pan. So just getting these out here, 4 wings. And just season them up here on this opposite side. And you can, I'm an Old Bay fan, but you can always in the comments talk about some of your favorite seasonings and, share with everyone your way of doing things. So that's really it for our prep. Alright, so I've got the pan with the wings over there on the side, and I'm going to be going up here to the air fry. So there we are on air fry. I'm going to up the temperature to 425, and I would take about 20 minutes, it may take about 20 I suspect, but I'm going to leave it at 30 just to have a 30-minute time to count down from, plus extra time if needed. And so hitting start there, and we'll let things preheat. I do have the rack on the air fry level, and so once the preheat is done, we'll get them on in. Alright, time to get it on in. Close it up. I'm just going to turn it back to the even 30 just to make sure it gets full time. But I'm going to let these run for maybe about 12 minutes and then turn them over. Alright, 12 minutes in, just turning things over. Things are looking pretty decent in there. I'll just leave the ones in the back, the ones in the front. We'll go with it as is. These tips are kind of sticking up though. Kind of not cool, yeah. They're kind of catching flame, so I've got no choice but to leave them in their same position. I should have, I guess, maybe cut the tips off. I could have done that, but a little tricky. So. Alright, we're just going to have to go with some more time with them like that and see how things go. Alright, it's been 19 minutes, but they're getting cooked, pretty hard on one side, so I don't want to, like burn them up. Yeah, I mean, they're done. They're all good and done. So I think we're fine. And I wanted to get things, just to explain, I like my wings a bit crispy. I don't like my wings just, cooked to 165 and that's it. So now I'm going to go ahead and get these wings onto a plate. And I want to show you, that's like the side that was getting cooked. The opposite side does not look bad. It doesn't look bad. So things came out okay. I mean, that's the side that wasn't getting the heat. And that's the side that was getting the heat there. Get these other 2 out. Alright, we'll go ahead and do a taste test in a moment. So thank God for these wings, and let's go ahead and taste one. So I'm going to take this one here. Okay, so the wings are crisp outside, moist inside, just the way that I like them. And so everything turned out really well. It really did better than I expected, considering having that pan underneath. It's like that pan must be like maybe radiating heat upward to cook that opposite side pretty well. And you know, even though things are above where the fan is, it all turned out well. It all did really good. So it's able to air fry wings just fine. Didn't turn them over. And you know, less than 20 minutes, and they were very done. So great job by the Breville Smart Air Fryer Oven Pro. It exceeded expectations, and that's a good thing. And so with all of that said, if you did like the video, there are lots of ways to help in the video description, such as the cookbook merch membership, donations, link to different shops that you know well that you can use to shop from. Also, there's a shop icon here that you can use to buy the product, and that helps the channel. You can do that with any of the videos here on the channel. Also, you can use the hype button to basically hype this video to other people. You can do that up to 3 times, and that's free. Also, you can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Again, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, leave a comment, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.